Cucumber is a very effective auxiliary product in the prevention and treatment of kidney stones. Its composition consists of 95% water and has a natural diuretic property. This helps to quickly flush sand and small stones through the urinary tract. Main benefits: cleanses the body and kidneys. The large amount of fluid in its composition dissolves toxic substances and salts in the body. Limits the growth of stones. Reduces the excessive accumulation of acids and minerals in the urine. Reduces swelling. Helps to remove excess water from the body. How to consume? Freshly squeezed juice. Drinking cucumber juice every day strengthens the health of the kidneys. Vegetable salad? It is recommended to include cucumbers in the daily diet along with greens. The suitability of cucumber changes depending on the specific stage of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and whether a patient is receiving dialysis. For patients in the early stages of CKD, stages 1 through 4, potassium restriction may not be necessary if blood levels remain normal. In these cases, cucumbers are an excellent nutrient-dense addition to the diet, providing low levels of protein, sodium, and phosphorus, which are beneficial for preserving kidney function. For individuals focusing on preventing kidney stones, the dietary considerations for cucumbers shift from those managing CKD-related electrolyte balance. The primary goal in stone prevention is to maintain high urine volume and dilute stone-forming minerals. The approximately 95% water content of cucumbers is highly advantageous, contributing directly to the necessary fluid intake that promotes urine flow. The second major consideration, especially for calcium oxalate stones, is the food's oxalate content. Cucumbers are classified as a very low oxalate food. A quarter of a cucumber contains only about 1 milligram of oxalate. This low oxalate status makes them a favorable choice for individuals adhering to a low oxalate diet, contrasting sharply with high oxalate vegetables like spinach or rhubarb. Cucumbers are often recommended for kidney stone prevention due to this focus on high fluid intake and low oxalate content. However, dietary advice for kidney stones can conflict with advice for late-stage CKD. Individuals with both advanced CKD and a history of stones must prioritize CKD restrictions first, balancing fluid and potassium with their medical team. For patients with advanced CKD, stages 4, 5, or those on dialysis, managing potassium intake is often required to prevent hyperkalemia. While a single serving is low potassium, consuming an entire medium cucumber can deliver around 440 milligrams of potassium, potentially creating a high potassium load. Therefore, portion control is paramount, and cucumber consumption must be tracked alongside all.
Cucumbers are among the best foods to support kidney health. Here are 6 reasons why. They're naturally high in water, which helps flush the kidneys and support fluid and electrolyte balance. Their high water content also makes them a filling food, which can help with weight management and conquering cravings. Cucumbers contain antioxidants that can help with inflammation and may positively affect blood sugar and lipid levels. Research has shown eating cucumbers can help regulate uric acid levels, which may support kidney health. Cucumbers are high in fiber, which supports heart health. An animal study published in the Journal of Natural Sciences Research found cucumber pulp helped support kidney restoration and function in rats with diabetes. Cucumbers are widely available, affordable, and easy to grow. Try them freshly chopped in salads, julienne to top a stir-fry, or juiced for a refreshing and healthy beverage.
In addition to watermelon fruits, cucumber contains high potassium and is cheaper. Cucumber is one type of fruit which is often sold in Ramadan. Cucumber has a variety of properties. As a good source of antioxidants, digestives, maintains oral health, is good for diabetics, helps the diet, accelerates the detoxification process, inhibits cancer growth, and helps control cholesterol. Of the nutrients contained in cucumber, mineral potassium has the highest portion at 1,008 milligrams per 100 grams of fruit, Sunerjano 2012. The content of potassium in cucumber is 50 times higher than watermelon. Cucumber is also not a plant or foliage that is rarely consumed, such as existing alternative treatments like tempuyung leaves, leaves of avocado, and others. So the cucumber has potential as an effective and comfortable treatment for calcium oxalate kidney stones. This research goal is to decide the potential of Surrey cucumber juice, Cucumis sativus, as a solvent for calcium oxalate kidney stones.